From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Jacob Morse here with your CNET forecast, and we saw more clouds in our area today than we saw over the past couple of days as a weak cold front is making its way through our region, not bringing any rain really with it, just some of those clouds associated with the cold front. And we could use the rain, though, since we are still seeing some moderate drought conditions throughout most of central Pennsylvania. But unfortunately, looking over the next several days, not a whole lot of rain chances in our 7-day forecast. First, looking at our Beaver Stadium camera, a time-lapse from throughout the morning hours today. We saw a nice sunrise with some of the smoke from the Western wildfires still in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but those clouds have been predominant throughout our sky throughout most of the day today. Temperature right now at 72 degrees outside here in State College, which is right around average for this time of year. And dew point sitting at around 55 degrees right now with winds that are pretty light out of the south. Now, I mentioned that smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere associated with the wildfires out west is being transported all the way across the country by the jet stream, and we've seen the milky skies, the filtered sunshine with that smoke over the past week, really. And fortunately, the cold front that is passing through our area today will be taking the smoke with it. So we'll be seeing the smoke exit our region heading into the day tomorrow and into the weekend. So we should see some more crisp blue skies as the sunshine will be prevalent throughout the weekend in our forecast. Temperatures across the Commonwealth are pretty seasonable for this time of year. Our average high temperature should be at around 72 degrees here in State College, and that's where we are at right now. Elsewhere, 60s in the northwestern part of the state and low 70s in the southeastern part of Pennsylvania. Radar and satellite shows those clouds across most of the Commonwealth. You see a thicker band of clouds off to our northwest over the Franklin and Bradford area. That's associated with that cold front that'll eventually make its way through our region heading into the overnight hours tonight. And as I mentioned, not any rain associated with it, just those clouds that'll pass through, and it will drop our temperatures heading into the weekend. You can see all that moisture associated with what's left of Hurricane Sally over the southeastern United States, bringing a lot of rain to the Carolinas right now. Parts of the panhandle of Florida saw over 15 inches of rain from Hurricane Sally. A lot of flooding issues down there in the southeastern United States. But all of that moisture from Hurricane Sally will miss us and just move off the coast of the United States in the coming days. So future weather, time this out hour by hour for you. We see just a couple of sprinkles in our area throughout the rest of the evening and into the overnight hours tonight. Most of us stay dry as that cold front passes through. The clouds will clear heading into the morning hours tomorrow and setting up to be a gorgeous afternoon in our area for your Friday. And then heading into the weekend, more of the same, plenty of sunshine in our area on Sunday. Now shifting our camera down towards the tropical Atlantic, I did want to mention Hurricane Teddy, which is a Category 3 hurricane right now, a major hurricane in the open waters of the Atlantic with sustained winds at around 120 miles per hour. This is forecasted to become a Category 4 hurricane before approaching the island of Bermuda. Now, Bermuda just saw Hurricane Paulette make an impact on the island of Bermuda, and it could see Hurricane Teddy move over its area as we head into the weekend. But then past Bermuda, there's still a lot of uncertainty with Hurricane Teddy heading into the beginning of next week, if it will impact northern New England, such as coastal Maine, or if it could impact the Canadian Maritimes, such as Nova Scotia, or if it'll just move out to shore. A lot of possibilities are still on the table, so we'll be watching this very closely. Taking a look at our forecast here in State College for the night tonight, we'll drop down to a low of 48 degrees, which is not as cool as we've seen over the past several nights with mostly cloudy skies in place. Tomorrow will be a little windy out there with winds out of the north at around 10 miles per hour, gusts up to 20 miles per hour, bringing in that cooler air. We'll only see a high temperature reach 66 degrees as those clouds in the morning hours become more sunshine by the afternoon hours. And then look at all these sun icons on the 7-day forecast. Plenty of sunshine for your weekend with temperatures below average, only in the mid-60s. And then we do warm up as we head into the beginning of next week with still plenty of sunshine Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with temperatures, as I mentioned, warming up into the middle 70s. For CNET and the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jacob Morse. Have yourselves a great evening.